In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature in Docusign by setting up a new one. First things first, we need to head over to the Docusign website, which is renowned for its electronic signature and intelligent agreement management. This platform is incredibly useful for managing digital documents efficiently and securely, making it essential for modern business practices. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, look towards the upper right corner of your screen to find the Login button. Clicking here will take you to the login page where you'll enter your credentials. If you're new to Docusign, you may need to create an account, but for today, let's assume you already have one. Having a Docusign account ready is crucial as it allows you access to all their document management tools, including signature customization. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the Docusign homepage. Now direct your attention to your profile settings, which can usually be found by clicking on your name or profile icon located at the top of the screen. Select Profile, which will lead you to a series of options related to your account. Next, you want to select Manage Profile to ensure you have access to all the customized settings associated with your account. Here you can update personal details, account preferences, and of course manage your signatures. This section is where you can make the adjustments needed to keep your digital presence exactly how you want it. Now that you're managing your profile, look for the Signatures option and click on it. This area of Docusign allows you to view all the signatures you've previously created and gives you the ability to make any changes. It's here that you'll have the opportunity to either modify an existing signature or add a new one. Since we're setting up a new signature, the next step is to click on ADD Signature. This action opens a dialog box where you'll have several options to choose from for creating your signature. Docusign provides a few different methods. You can type your name and have the system generate a signature style for you, or you can draw your signature using your mouse, trackpad, or stylus, depending on your device. Alternatively, if you have a scanned signature image stored on your computer, you can upload this image directly. The choice of method is entirely up to you and may depend on your needs for authenticity and aesthetic. Once you've created or uploaded your desired signature, make sure to save your changes. Click the Adopt and Save button to finalize your new signature. This update ensures that any future documents you sign will feature your newly created signature, streamlining your signing process and maintaining professionalism in your digital communications. And there you have it, your new signature is set up in Docusign. This feature not only simplifies your workflow, but also adds a personal touch to your electronic documents. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you efficiently manage your digital signatures in the future.